Yeah, it did.
Get started on one of the spikes for the back, out of one of our larger screws. A bit too big, so we've got a hell of a lot of cutting to do. And this one's really distorted, that's why he's starting off way off in the distance. Looks like he's doing nothing, but you can still see him hitting somewhere. So, come back and show you where he's at later on. Usually I'm helping Dennis get this on. Did it right on his own.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Just got to do the backup for you. Hold still.
Movement's okay.
Yeah.
I can clap my hands.
You can clap your hands, swing a sword.
Probably not. Probably not. I'd have to joust it. That's about it.
Spin around.
It'd be
Yeah, it looks like you got bulk though.
yeah, it's full on bulk. You get that piece of wood, give it a whack here, I reckon it'll take it. Yeah, about across here. Wait a sec. Where's my arm? Yeah, go.
You know my swing's not that good.
Yeah, well don't drop it in my face.
You're wearing safety glasses.
Lucky my glasses are on. Fucking hell, low. Yeah, there. Oh, yeah, nothing. Yeah, dead. Always safety glasses.
Oh shit, I wasn't filming.
Yeah, bullshit.
So what's that again?
Huh?
You what? You didn't feel a thing?
No, I didn't feel any of those.
Yeah, just the one in the face.
Sort of the side, on the side of the face.
Did you? Sorry, man.
Nah, it's alright.
You asked for it.
Yeah, no. Oh, it just bounces, mate.
It stands
off.
up for it. We countersunk it so that the nut sits in the back. Nice one going on. how we get them on and off. Those two there. It sits better at the back.
It does, yeah. I can feel it sitting better at the front.
We almost need to take the wolf head off and put it on the
On
back
the front. See, I can bend now.
Yeah.
Before I couldn't bend.
Fucking hell, if you'd run at someone and jumped on them, that'd fucking hurt.
Just go,
Ah! You still like?
Yeah, you're gonna get
That
a bit
looks
of trouble.
nuts. So what fits both ways?
Yeah.